Little India in Kuala Lumpur. It's a must-do on the list for tourists. Kuala Lumpur is a melting pot of Malaysian, Chinese and India. I've just been to Chinatown, now I'm heading to Little India. Little India is in Brickfields, close to KL Central Station. It's easy to get the train or the monorail and then just walk a few minutes. The streets are lined with these arches. I love them, they're great. I'm crossing the road. The main strip is just over there behind the fountain. By the way, today I'm actually not very well. I'm unable to talk much, so I couldn't talk to the camera today. I'm going to walk up one side of the street, cross over and back down the other side. Let's explore. Don't come too early. Nothing opens until 10:30, 11 a.m. I'm here at 7 p.m, just as the sun's setting. It's just on sunset and it's lightly raining. Heavy storms have just passed. Little India is very colourful, just as you would imagine. The shops are full of colourful dresses and saris and fabrics of every colour and every shade you can imagine. And gold jewellery and bangles, so many bangles. Beautiful! Every shop has amazing Bollywood music blasting out of it. I'm here in monsoon season. It's low season for tourism and there's not many tourists around at all. The grey high-rises and the grey sky is a great backdrop to bring out the colourful streets of Little India.
It's raining. Hello.
Very quiet this time of year. I have been here in peak season and it was much more alive with lots of people around and lots of tourists all dining on the streets. I didn't dine today, however the food smelt amazing. Beautiful. Beautiful, pretty flowers.
So many pretty colours.
That's the loop of the street. It's only a couple hundred metres up and back. Now I'm going to have another bit of a look around as the lights come on. Now I'm heading back to KL Central Station. Music fills the air. It's lovely. Lights, colour, sounds, smells.
There's a rainbow.
Walking back to KL Central Station, a rainbow has appeared. Everything's going to be okay. Hit subscribe and I'll catch you in the next video. Stay safe and enjoy the journey. Hit like, hit subscribe, bookmark me so you can find me again.